Today I'm going to show you how to increase your video RAM and improve your FPS without any additional software. Let's dive in. Before we get started, make sure you're logged in as an administrator on your PC. Increasing VRAM is a system level change, so you'll need admin privileges. The first step is to access your BIOS or UEFI settings. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS UEFI by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F2, F10, delete or ESC. Look for a prompt on your screen during startup to guide you. Once you're in the BIOS UEFI, navigate to the advanced chipset or integrated peripherals menu. The exact name can vary based on your motherboard. Now look for an option related to graphics, video memory, or integrated graphics. You might see settings labeled as IZG memory, prelocated, allocated, or something similar. Now you can here increase the amount of video memory allocated to your integrated graphics. You can usually select from several preset values such as 128 MB, 256 MB, 512 MB or more. Select a higher value if available and make sure to save your changes before exiting. To save your changes, look for the 7 exit option in the BIOS UEFI menu. Confirm your choice and allow your PC to restart. Once your computer restarts, you can also optimize Windows settings for better performance. To do that, right-click on this PC or computer on your desktop and select Properties. Now, here go to click on Advanced System Settings. Now go to the Performance section. Click Settings and choose Adjust for best performance. This will disable unnecessary visual effects and can help improve overall performance. And there you have it. By adjusting your BIOS UEFI settings and optimizing your system, you can boost your VRAM and improve your PC's performance without any extra software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.